Right, so here we are. The train station. I see the other freedom fighters got here before I did. Strange. I thought I would get here before they did, but guess they beat me to the punch. In that aspect. It's crazy. At this point, I thought I would get here earlier. But if it wasn't for my car breaking down, I would have been here on time. Oh, but the train hasn't left yet, so that's good. So I can just talk to the conductor and we can get this all settled. Fuck. Where's the conductor? Where'd he go? This man's sleeping.
You must be looking for me.
So you're the conductor. Right.
I'm the conductor.
Right.
So what brings you to my fine establishment of a train station?
Well, I was supposed to be here with a couple of friends, but I got here late, my car broke down. And yeah.
Right, your car broke down. Your car broke down. Okie dokie then.
The freedom fighters?
Your name?
Knuckles Echidna.
The freedom fighters. Ah, yes, I've heard of them. What is your name, sir?
Knuckles Echidna.
Oh, so ye be an Echidna. Yeah, you're not allowed on.
What? What do you mean I'm not allowed on?
Oh, I'm sorry. Need I say it again? Ye not allowed on me train.
What do you mean? This is some racism.
It isn't racist, motherfucker. You're just not allowed on me train.
Well, how am I supposed to get to Sol Sestancia without a train?
Walk?
Walk? You expect me to walk all the way 100 miles just to get to Sol Sestancia by my foot?
Yes. And besides, you can fly, can't you?
I mean,
all echidnas can fly after all.
You're an asshole.
But I'm right.
This is racism. This is racism, man.
It's not racism. Okay, you know what? You know what? Fine. If you want to get on my train, you'll have to pay 130 rings.
Fuck. I left all my money.
Plus the kidney tax, that makes it 230.
What? You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me.
230 rings.
But you just said 100 and something earlier.
That is also adding the echidna tax, making it
Echidna tax.
230. Echidna tax.
I'm going to strangle you.
For all the damages that the echidnas are most likely going to cause on a mini train.
Okay, buddy. Yeah. You're acting way big because you're behind that. You're acting so big.
Either 230 rings or no train.
The train is now departing to Sol Sestancia.
No, the train left. Damn it.
Oh,
Wait.
Well, sorry for you.
Son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. You made me miss my stop. I'm going to fucking kill
Sucks to suck.
I'm going to fucking kill you. Get your fucking ass over here. Son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me, you son of a bitch. Fuck. Where'd that nigga go? Fuck! He got away! Shit!
You didn't find me.
Ah. God damn it. I guess I'll wait for the next stop. Doesn't really matter to me. At least next time I'll... If I ever have to see that asshole again, I'm gonna kill him. If I have to see the asshole again...
Yo, Knuckles! Knuckles!
What? What? Huh?
Knuckles, do you read me?
Yeah?
Were you gonna make the train?
Yeah, no, this fucking asshole. He literally said I can't ride a train because I'm an Echidna.
Wait a minute, which train station are you at right now?
I don't know, that's fucking Japanese symbols.
Oh yeah, they're kind of incredibly racist over there. Should've went to the Moby station.
Yeah. The only problem is the freedom fighters are on that train, and now I gotta wait and go on another train by myself.
Knuckles, are you forgetting that you could just glide after the train?
Oh yeah, fuck. I could, but it's already too far gone.
Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure there should be some high area that could let you catch up.
I guess, but at the same time, it's a long trip, and I think they already are halfway there.
Damn, the train just left? It has to be incredibly fast then. Well, not faster than me,
Yeah,
but still fast.
yeah. Sonic, I'm not as fast as you. I'm not catching that train. It's gone.
Right.
Pretty sure Tails should... Wait, you remember the X-Tornado, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could just head to Tails' workshop and take that. Oh, also, need you to send these coordinates to the Freedom Fighters. I want you all to meet me there.
Right.
Found out some very interesting deeds.
Right. I think I'm gonna meet Atana first. I gotta talk to her. Once I get there.
Yeah, meet her first, probably bring her with you. Then, I can tell you guys just what Eggman is planning, and believe me, it's out of the box, actually.
Right. This whole thing's been fucked up.
Alrighty then, Nux. Yeah, it's kind of been messed up. But yeah, I'll catch you later.
Right. See ya, Sonic.
See ya.
Looks like I have a new way to get there. Awesome. Just have to head to Tails' workshop. Let's go! Damn. Oh, man, it's been a struggle, but I'm finally here. Sol Sestancia. Looks like a different part of Sol Sestancia, but I made it. Oh, wow. Place seems bleak. Not much people here. Wow. Look at the scenery here. Sky, everything. It's amazing. Thing that worries me is, what is Eggman? Wait a second. Atana?
Huh?
Oh, hey. So you,
Hey, been a while.
yeah, you made it here?
Well, you're the one who said to meet you here, didn't you?
Yeah, I know. It's been a while. Been with Sonic for a bit.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Yeah. We figured.
Better not have been doing drugs.
No. I'm done with drugs.
You better be. Or I'm gonna have to beat the living shit out of you.
Oh, okay. Anyways. So there are some things that happened between now and then.
Please tell me you didn't do anything bad.
No, I didn't do anything bad. Necessarily.
Necessarily?
It involves Eggman.
Eggman?
Yeah,
I haven't heard that name in a long time.
Yeah,
What
Dr.
does he
McFatass.
want now? Yeah, what does the spoiled egg want now?
Well, I talked to him and I talked to Sonic and we ran into Rouge.
Rouge? Not that.
Yeah, the one you let out of jail?
Did she try anything on you?
No. She did talking to Sonic though.
Not the Sugar Hog.
Yeah. Let's just say me and Sonic. Yeah, we don't like Rouge. And now we're afraid.
I swear if I ever see her face again, I'm gonna give her a reason.
Right. That's besides the point. So me, Sonic, and Rouge. Yeah. We went to Eggman's base. We found out a couple of things.
And that exactly is?
1, he's planning to do something here. 2, he's building robots. And 3...
Robots? Again?
3, I went with the freedom fighters and I lost track of them. Come here.
You lost who?
I lost track of the freedom fighters. I was with them when I traveled here, Atana.
Okay. How did you lose them? Jeez, tracking's supposed to be in our blood.
Yeah, so, the train station may have, evoked my ticket, and, yeah, I had to ride alone.
What? Where? This is why Mom. Not much.
Hey! Mom loves me too. It's not your fault. It's not fair that you're the favorite.
Not my fault that you have less than a pebble's worth of brain cells.
Shut up! Anyways, what do you think of the situation?
I think 1, we need to deal with Eggman right away. We have no idea what he's planning. And even though most of the time his plans end up failing, better be safe than sorry.
Right. Also, what happened to your accent?
We didn't speak about that.
Atana, why are you running? Why are you running away? Atana! Atana, this isn't a game. Atana?
What?
Right. Why were you running?
None of your business.
Yeah. Anyways, we should probably...
Either or, is that all you can tell me?
No. I need you to follow me. I need you to help me out.
What?
I need you to help me out and see what's going on.
Alright. Where exactly, though?
That direction. I've seen some SWAT bots.
Alright then, lead the way.
Right. Let's get going. Huh!